What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. You know, on this channel I'm always trying to find new ways to create new effects and do it for cheap. And you know, ghost pearls is one of those things that I really like, but you know, I have a hard time finding certain colors. You get a lot of the regular colors everybody likes, like red, blues, greens, you know, gold, stuff like that. But what about a pearl white ghost pearl? What about a pearl silver ghost pearl? What about a pearl copper ghost pearl? Well, I think Sea Pearls has the answer. They're a cool company that I've sprayed some of their pearls in the past, and they're on Amazon, guys, and I've got something behind you I think you might want to check out. So these right here are sample kits of Sea brand ghost pearls, guys, and what's really cool about these is they make them in coral, which is a ghost copper, a ghost red, a ghost plum, a ghost aqua, a ghost gold, a pearl white ghost, a ghost blue, and a ghost dreamland. And they've got some other ones too on their website on Amazon, and all of these come in a bigger jar, so you can get it in a 50-gram jar, and it's around $10 to $15, guys, for a whole jar of this stuff. So very affordable. Today I'm gonna spray some of this coral right here. My buddy Cisco donated the kit, and he wants to see some copper, and I've had some other subscribers asking for copper too. So ghost copper on a black fender, I think that's going to be the move for today's episode. Let's mix it up in some clear, and let's see what kind of crazy effect we can create. Alright, guys, so I got my fender already based in a black, gloss black Rust-Oleum, and I've scuffed it and sanded it off. And you know, it wouldn't be right to spray a ghost pearl unless we added something else to it. Well, this is Rust-Oleum satin white, and you know, we got to see a ghost pearl over the dark colors, but we also got to see it over a light color. So I'm going to spray half of this fender in the Rust-Oleum satin white, and yeah, then we'll get into mixing up some ghost copper from Sea brand. A little half and half action, nothing wrong with that. Alright. Alright, guys, so for purposes of today's video, I got a little 20-ounce mixing cup here. This is a 3-gram sample jar of the coral, and then I got some Pro Finish clear coat right here, guys. It's a 4-to-1 mix clear, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium hardener. So I'm going to pour some of this in the cup first. It probably won't take too much, probably about 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of hardener, and we'll have enough clear to do this crazy experiment. Alright, so that's 4 ounces of the clear. Let me add 1 ounce of the hardener in. I have 5 ounces total. Alright. Well, that's enough clear and hardener. And now, let's add some of this coral in and see what it looks like. Alright, so that's the label. That's the pearl. If you see it in powder form, this is very interesting. This is a very small jar, but uh-oh, we're sealed to protect. Let me get the seal off. All right, there it is. So it's a white particle base pearl, and you see that coppery gold looking sheen at certain angles. You can even see it on the side of the cup. And for purposes of this video, I'm probably going to do just a little popsicle stick. Let's do maybe about 1 gram into that mix, and let's stir this up and see what kind of effect we get. Now, I am already seeing the coppers. And man, I think this is going to be crazy today. You know, I've seen a lot of ghost pearls, guys, but I haven't seen a copper one yet. And you know, I really love copper, and I think this might be the move for certain people that are wanting it. I'm going to mix this up really good. Let's load up the paint gun, and let's get to spraying some of this ghost coral. Alright, guys, so I've been letting this Rust-Oleum mix tack up for about 10 minutes now. I think it's good to go for a little bit of copper ghost clear. This is a D1 drizzle paint gun, 1.3 tip. It's your 28 psi wide open trigger. I'm trying this Q-line clear. Man, I've been using this stuff a lot here lately, and it seems to work really good with Rust-Oleum stuff. I haven't really had any issues, so I think this will be really cool today. I'm interested to see what it's going to do over both colors. So as always, guys, I'm going to do consistent coats till we get a good effect. We'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get it spraying. Alright guys, so here you have it for today. A Sea brand white particle interference coral pearl, or better known from this look as a ghost copper pearl over top of a satin white and a gloss black Rust-Oleum. Now, I will say I did get a little bit of modeling going on with the pearls because they're so fine, and because I'm shooting them in clear coat, sometimes you will have a little bit of issues with it. So I definitely recommend using like a clear base binder or a color blender or whatever to shoot your pearls in to get the best uniform look before adding a clear coat or something like that to it. Or you can do it in clear coat. I think you should drop your pigment loads though if you do it. That'll minimize chances of modeling with the coats of the clear, because clear as it dries will actually move on the panel, and that's what you're seeing. You're seeing light spots and dark spots at certain angles, and that clear is actually moving. It's not staying in suspense the same way it would in a clear base coat or mid coat or whatever else. So the way around it is you could shoot a white primer or a black primer, and then over top of it, use the base coat binder, the Speedo coat binder I've used in past episodes to shoot your pearl coats. That'll give you a nice uniform look, and then you clear coat it. And you'll still get out for a very, very cool ghost copper paint job for cheap, for around probably 250 bucks for everything, the clear and all you need to get this done. So that's actually a very, very cool and affordable paint job. But you know what? It's not up to me today, guys. Let me know what you thought of the color. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you're interested in spraying with any of the coral, Sea brand pearls, the clear I used today, the paint gun, the mask, any of that stuff, they're always in my Amazon store. Links will be below in the description of this video. As seen on YouTube, you click that link, it takes you to my store. You can pick up everything for the same price I get it for, and you get the benefits of Prime, everything else Amazon has to offer. If you made it this far in the video today, you like these crazy experiments. I have not seen many ghost copper pearl spray outs on YouTube, so that's why I wanted to get this video out for you guys, so you see some options. So if you're looking at copper to burnt orange looking color, this is a great choice for you, and yeah, very affordable. If you made this far in the video, you like what I'm doing with these crazy experiments, the paint jobs, the tutorials, a little bit of everything I do, then definitely take a second, subscribe to Whitley Auto Works, ring that little bell beside it. You'll get notified every time a new episode drops, and good or bad, depending on whatever you think, I always appreciate your feedback. Leave me a quick like and comment. It helps me out tremendously with YouTube's algorithm to strengthen engagement and continue to spread out and do more videos and have some more fun with you guys. So you just never know what you're going to see on the next episode of Whitley Auto Works. But until next time, guys, I appreciate you for watching. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.